Do you want a Spotify playlist? Do you want to make money adding just songs to it? Well, this is the right video for you. In this video, I'm basically showing you how do you make money by just adding songs to your Spotify playlist. So, jump right into it. So for this, I'm using a website called Playlist Push. The links are in the description down below. You want to click the first one. So basically it'll take you to this page. And you can see it says that we help independent artists get their music on playlists and give playlist curators a way to discover new music. So basically, all this is saying is, say I'm an artist and I just made a song, and I want a lot of people to, kind of listen to it on Spotify. What I'll do is I'll pay Playlist Push some money, right? And my song will be added into a playlist where a lot of people will listen to my song. Now, as a curator, I'll be given a song by that artist, and I have to add it into my playlist. And if people listen to the song, depending on the number of people in my playlist that listen to the song, I get that much money, and they get also money. So yeah, I already made a video about how to make money on Spotify. Go check it out. I just clicked the card above here somewhere. Yeah. So as you can see, whether you make pop music or instrumental pianist, you only pay the creators that will dig your music. Then we send your music to a targeted group of playlist creators. They review your song for playlist consideration. So if I like the song, if it fits in my playlist, I'll add it, and that's how everybody kind of makes money. So this is for creators. You can earn money by listening and reviewing songs, and you can discover new music by independent artists for your playlist. So now I'm going to show you kind of how to make money with by being a curator. So a qualified playlist curator can earn up to $12 per song review. Now you can request payout at any time, and it delivers to your bank account or PayPal, depending on which you like more. You can help new and upcoming artists by providing feedback on the music, like do they need to put auto-tune, do their beats need to be more cool, something like that. And you can discover new music and add it to your playlist if you actually like the song. Alright, so to qualify as a curator, you need to own a playlist with real followers on either Spotify, YouTube Music, or Apple Music. So first we'll click sign me up as a curator. So I'll just show you how to guys do that. So I live in the United States. Oh, what? Okay, that's weird, but alright, just the United States. And how many followers does your biggest Spotify playlist have? Followers must be real, organic, not bot. So I have a playlist. It has 0 to 1,000 followers. But I can't be a curator on Playlist Push if I have this many followers. I need to have at least 1,000 to 10,000 followers on my Spotify playlist to actually earn money. Alright? And say I put this one, I can make money as an affiliate. So I'm going to show you that right now. So affiliate is basically, you can generate, brings a bit of low income, but it still brings some income. So the link is in my description, right? You click it, and if you sign up on Playlist Push using kind of my referral code, I make money. So if you guys want to, please use my code. Please sign up. And I can add my affiliate link to my website, email signature, blogs, my YouTube videos. It is in the description, so please use it. Please do it. Alright, I receive money for every new artist or curator that I refer, and the artist I refer gets a discount as well. So if you use my code in the kind of playlist push kind of thing, you also get a discount and you reap the benefits of the playlist promotion platform. That sounds so cool. Playlist promotion platform. And you can support curators like me to discover new music and monetize my playlists. So that's pretty cool. Say I don't want to do affiliate, and I don't have any followers on my Spotify, but I have 100,000 TikTok followers. Well, there's also a TikTok thing. So you want to click how many TikTok followers I have. You can choose whatever, 100 or something. And how many views do I generate? Say I have 100 and 100. I'm just going minimum. I can't be in a requirement, right? Let's do this again. Say I have 1,000 and my views also generate 1,000. I still can't do it. I need to have at least 10,000 followers with 10,000 views, and it still doesn't work. So say I have 100,000 followers, 100,000 views. Alright, you need to have a minimum of 100,000 followers on TikTok to do this. So like Charlie D'Amelio and people like that can do it. And that's kind of how you sign up for that. Affiliate, you can also sign up for affiliate. So your name, kind of your song. So that's kind of how you sign up. So yeah. If you found this video at all helpful, if you actually made some money using Playlist Push, please use my affiliate link in the description down below if you don't have Playlist Push account. But if you do have one and you're making money because of this video, please subscribe to my channel as it helps me out a lot, and like this video. Thank you guys, see you in the next video.